Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have a special guest with me today. This is my little brother Travis.
Hi.
So he recently just moved back in with me and my family, and so I made him sit down and do a video with me where I'm going to do his makeup. Are you excited?
Yes, very.
He's worn makeup a couple of times. I've done his makeup, but yeah, we wanted to film it. So yeah, I made him pick out all of his makeup.
We're doing cranberries.
Yeah, like a cranberry eye, hopefully.
That's the plan.
All goes well. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So the first thing he picked out is the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. He has really dry skin, just like me. So we're just gonna apply this like a glue stick.
Weird.
It's literally like a glue stick.
Interesting. It's all blended in.
So now we're going with foundation. So he chose the Cover FX. I just got this one. It's the Natural Finish Oil-Free Foundation in the shade G10, which might be too gold for your skin tone, but
We'll see.
we'll see.
Is this gonna give me like full coverage?
No, this is like a not full coverage.
Okay.
It's like a light coverage.
Okay, that's good. I feel like I look weird with full coverage.
Yeah, probably. Stop creasing your forehead.
I'm sorry, you're jabbing my nose.
Feel flawless.
I still have really bad bags under my eyes.
We're gonna conceal those.
Oh, okay.
So now I'm gonna try and not get this in your eyes. He
Thank
chose the
you.
Tarte Shape Tape. Just kind of look up.
Can you say that again?
Tarte Shape Tape. Why?
I did not hear that the first time.
What'd you hear?
Dirt ship tape.
Your eye bags look a little bit better.
Yeah, they do. That's a lot better.
Flawless. Do you want me to do what I usually do with my concealing and everything too, down your nose and forehead?
Sure.
We're just basically gonna do my makeup like I would normally do.
So what's the purpose of doing it here?
It basically you're just trying to hit the higher parts of the face,
Mm-hmm.
so it just kind of looks like it's naturally brightened,
Okay.
even though it's not naturally brightened because it's all makeup.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now we're just gonna contour a little bit with the Kat Von D Shade Light palette. I'll usually take these two shades, and then chisel the cheekbones.
No, you do?
Yeah. So now we're gonna go in with blush. So he chose the Morphe, this is the 39N blush palette. I'll just mix this one with the lighter one for the best. I forgot to top it off.
Oh my god. Look at that.
It's fine, that's why we blend it. I just forgot to, it
I
doesn't
look like
look
a little
that bad.
ball.
Turn towards me. It's fine, that's why we always blend. So this is the only eye primer I really have. It's the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. So now, because this is a cream product, you want to set it with a powder.
Okay.
Oh, I don't think I mentioned, but I'm using the Kat Von D Petal Brightening Powder.
Yeah.
So for highlighter, he chose the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. And I think we're going to go in with the shade Blue Ice. They have that spotlight nose that I always do and then you yell at me. Alrighty. Now to the eyes.
Sorry, I'm showing you too.
Did it actually show up on the camera?
I don't know. I think
My
so.
lighting's always so weird. Okay, so for eyes, he chose the Kylie's Diary, which was a limited edition Valentine's Day one. And the Modern Renaissance palette, because he wanted to do a pinky cranberry look. So I'm just going to take the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm just going to use the 3 of the 4 matte shades they have. And kind of just or these two actually, So Bougie and Cocoa Truffle. And just build up the crease. It smells like chocolate. By the time I do what I usually do, it's all the way up to your brow. And I'm just taking the shade Cocoa Truffle and just deepening up the crease a little tiny bit on the outer corner. I'm going to take this shade, I think it's called Loves Me Not. I never know how these go. It might be Hard Eyes. This one right here, this dark berry-ish one. I'm just going to press it into the outer corner and then just blend it into the crease. It's you have to kind of go up with your eyes because it's
Yeah.
they go down.
And then they just sag down and they stay down.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of. This is a good description.
It is.
They just go down and then they just sag down.
They do. It's weird.
So I'm just gonna take the shade Love Letter, and you can put this down and hold this one, and just kind of blend that into the crease as well. And I'm kind of like dragging the shadows out this way to kind of like lift your eye up a little bit, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So on this little e.l.f. brush, I'm just going to take some of Venetian Red and make it more reddish rather than purple. And I'm just going to press this into the outer kind of V. Okay, so in the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, we're going to take this shimmer shade called Classy and Sassy. And I'm just going to take my finger, I'll hold this again, and just pat it onto his eyelid. Okay, now I'm just going to take a little bit of gold dipped just in the center to kind of brighten it a little bit. Okay, it looks kind of pretty when your eyes are closed. It doesn't look horrible when your eyes are open. Okay, so now on your lower lash line. And I guess I'm just going to take the same shades from here and just put those underneath.
Okay.
So first, look up carefully. I'm just going to take So Bougie and just go under here. Okay. And then I'm just going to take this Rollin' in the Dough shade and just put it under your eyebrow.
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's like kind of messy, but like it's smoky.
It's nice.
Okay.
I like it.
I'm glad. So all that's really left is, do you want mascara on?
Yes.
You can handle mascara?
Yeah.
Can you do it yourself?
Mm-hmm.
So I don't fuck up.
Mm-hmm.
So he's just gonna go in with like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So now we're just gonna set his face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Doesn't that feel nice?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And lipstick. So for lipstick, he chose Mannequin by Jeffree Star. So he put on Mannequin, and now we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. Nude Kiss Lip Oil, tinted lip oil. Hopefully this doesn't mess up the lipstick, but we'll find out. I'm just gonna put this in like the center of your lips. So this is what I did on my brother's face. Very cranberry glam. Alright guys, so that's it from us. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did.
And subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel before you leave. Comment down below any other ideas of videos you want to see him do with me. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all at the next video.
Thanks
Bye,
for
guys.
watching. Bye.